how's it going? This is TJ, the managing partner of M5 Property Addicts. I'm like excited because I am driving, going towards Boksburg to a place that we bought not so long ago, around about last year. And this particular property that we're talking about, it's one of our best properties as of like last year. I mean, we did a very good deals last year, but this is one of them. The mixed use building that we speak about, and we have just finished renovating it, and we now have tenants, and the place is fully tenanted. And I am taking you there. That's why I'm so excited, because at least you can see the final product, right? And let me just go through the numbers again one more time, you know, whilst we are on the road. And we bought this property mixed use, right? It used to be an industrial of sort, and we bought it for 700, and we put in an additional 400,000 on it, and on that 400,000, so we were in for what, 1.1 we say, right? And we started tenanting it out, and 100% rental income that's been coming off that place has been round about 40,000 for the last what, maybe 6 months now. And we recently just went through to the bank, and the bank has just given us just below 2 million on it. So this has been one of those great deals that we have done so far, and I'm excited. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to show you how much of a dump it was, right? Just to give you a little bit of a flashback, yeah, and then what it's looking now. Yeah, thanks. Okay, how's it going? So on my far right, we're going to put a screen there all the way to the doors, and then right in the middle here we're going to put another screen. We're going to remove all of those stickers, and then where the ladies are standing there, we are going to put in a screen, another screen. That's the residence part. And then on the far left we'll put in another screen there. Okay, and then now we're going inside. Okay, now we're inside. It's a bit of rubble here. Okay, so this is, the guys have already started, they removed that roof there. So we're going to go in here. This is a shop number 1. So they're busy with the ceilings. So they were patching up the wall up and the roof. And on the far right hand side, we're going to have a toilet. And the far left, we'll put in a sink, all right? And then this door could be left open. Right, moving along, room number 1. We're going to tile and plaster and floor all over here. Right, and that's room 1. Room 2, the same thing. Okay, this is room 1, 2, 3. And then this is room 4. Okay, so we're going to break up here, toilet and shower in here, and then we had a crack, some form of a crack there, but we've solved it now. So the brickworks, we had a bit of a crack there, but we've solved that as well. Okay. On the corner there, we're going to put in a kitchenette. You can see where the drawings there for where the plugs are going to be. Right, ahead. Got a big team here. It's about 12 people that are here already. Okay, we're going inside. This is going to be 1 unit on its own. Okay, let's see, there's a lot of cleaning up that's been happening this week. Okay, we've opened up here. It wasn't open before, so we've opened up here. So this whole part becomes a shop, and where I am standing will end. And then if I come back, this will become a self-contained room with its own door there. And then with its own door on the left-hand side, the right-hand side, we will close that one. Cool. If I come here, this is shop number 1 in room. And then this one here, we're just going to clean up the ceilings there. Needs to be painted, right? So a lot of roof works has been happening. And then I'm going to turn to my right, and this is where the guys have been staying and sleeping. So you can see there, they're removing all the ceilings to just make sure that the whole ceilings are properly done. And then here we're going to make it a kitchen. And then right here will be a toilet. So we had to break here. You see, this used to be a very small toilet from outside, but we've broken it here. We'll put in a shower there, then the toilet will come and sit here. Okay. It's a little bit cold, so there's a bit of fire going on. And then this will be another shower. So there's 2 showers that are going to be outside, and then those 2 showers and the toilet will be shared with room number 1, where the door is on the far left, and room 1, 2, 3 will share that. This one here will have its own shower and toilet, and then these rooms here on they'll have their own shower and toilet. So you can see the guys on top already doing they're doing their ceiling, the roof. Yeah, you can see there. Okay, cool. It is a Saturday, chilly Saturday, so we've done a bit of work already. Okay, so this is the front. As you can see on my far left, this is an office where the guys are doing real estate, and in between there is the black gate, and that black gate, that's what we use for the residential guys to go into the back. So it's got a security function feature to it and a little bit of privacy. And if we go to the right, you see that there is another shop, and we can see there Ali waving at me there. That's his shop. So we're going to go into shop number 2, just to give you an indication. These guys, they do fast foods, but anyways, this is what they do here. Lovely. Right, we're going to go next door, and this is where Ali is.
How's it, boss?
I'm all right, boss. How are you?
I'm good.
Right, and Ali just does a lot of groceries in here, as we can see. Okay, so we're going to go to the back, and if we could look in the street, it's a lot of mixed use buildings, as you can see, left, right, and I'm going to go inside. All right, I am going to go to the back, but obviously if anyone else was coming in, they would utilize. So there we go, this is the back. We've got prepaid meters here for water. This is something that we had to recently install. There was no fire extinguishers here. And this is the gate from outside, from inside, sorry. And you can see that we do use fingerprints for going in. So I don't have fingerprints, but basically it opens up this way towards me, and it will open up, and then on the left hand side you can see that we've got 2 hinges there, and when one wants to come in and go out with a truck or something like that, you know, that's the area that opens up. So that's the security gate we've got. They create a little bit of space. And to my left here with this door, this is the office, and the guys, that's the office that they use for real estate. And if I go back at the back here, these used to be offices back in the days, but we've then made them all rooms. So this room here, room number 1, number 2, number 3, they all share their own bathing room, which is on that side there into my view. And if I come back here, this used to be all offices, but we have turned them into one bed, a bachelor-like sort of, and then it's got a kitchenette and a toilet in there, and the guys are able to utilize them. Coming through to this side of the house, and that's a house on its own. In here on the left, how's it, Chief? Sure. Coming through here, this is another unit. So collectively, we've got 3 residential and around about 10 units, and this is another unit that is right here, and we're collecting around about 40,000, and that's the rental that we're collecting. And we've spent around about 450 on here. We bought it for 7. We've just refinanced now for 2 million, and this is the property out in Boksburg. We've got prepaid meters. I think in here, this is for the municipality, which is a prepaid, and then thereafter everyone else works on a prepaid one by one. Okay, cool. And that's it. And this is TJ from M5 Property Addicts. Thanks a lot and God bless. Bye.